5 surprising ways to make an extra $1,000 a month. For many people, learning how to make an extra $1,000 a month could mean the difference between barely scraping by and putting money away for retirement. If you break it down, an extra $1,000 per month is about $33 per day or $12,000 per year. Whether you have a full-time job and are looking for a side hustle, or need to make a little extra money from home to support your family, there are many opportunities available. I've always found it easier to make more money than to become an extreme frugalist, which is why I love talking about side hustles and earning extra income. 1. Become a virtual bookkeeper from home. Becoming an online bookkeeper is one of my favorite side hustle, or full-time hustle, ideas. I am probably biased, because it's been on my short list of business ideas to try for myself for a while now. I love the idea of helping small business owners track their finances and keep their books in order. Most entrepreneurs go into business because they are passionate about the product or service they are offering. But they are not necessarily passionate about running the actual business behind the scenes. That's where you come in, and can offer bookkeeping and even CFO or business advisory services to keep them on track to grow their business. 2. Make $1,000 a month freelancing. Freelancing is a very broad term. But at its core, freelancing is just using skills you already have to help other people and get paid in the process. Freelancing can be a great way to make a good hourly rate and start making money quickly by offering your services to people you already know. If you're not sure what skills you have, ask around to friends, family and coworkers. Maybe you're a spreadsheet whiz, a great motivator, or gifted at graphic design. 3. Blogging your way to $1,000 a month online. Oh, here we go. Of course, the blogger recommends blogging to make extra money. It's so easy, anyone can go from 0 to 6 figures in less than a year. I was looking to make some extra money, but I also wanted to share my journey toward financial independence and help others do the same. One of my favorite things about blogging is you can start a blog on almost any topic that interests you, whether that's personal finance, or houseplants, or woodworking. I love blogging, and I think it can be a great way to earn an extra $1,000 a month, or even make $10,000 a month or more. You probably won't make much, if any, money the first few years as you push out content and grow your audience. But as you grow, a blog can become more passive and the income potential is virtually unlimited. 4. Virtual assistant. Another great place to start on your side hustle journey as a beginner is by making extra money as a virtual assistant. This is a very broad category with lots of areas you can specialize in depending on your skill set. What does a virtual assistant do? Almost anything you can think of. Business owners need help with all kinds of tasks such as email, answering phone calls, marketing, etc. Generally, the more you can specialize in a specific skill, the more you can make. 5. Invest in real estate. Real estate investing was my very first side hustle, so it holds a special place in my heart. I prefer to think of it as real estate entrepreneurship rather than investing. Many people think it's completely passive, and it can be. But by treating it like a business instead of purely an investment, you can really learn to make some serious income. I got my start by buying rental properties that cash flowed every month. On average, each of my rentals brings in $300 per month in cash flow, plus additional benefits like appreciation and mortgage paydown by the tenant. At last, thanks for watching.